Okay, welcome everybody for this promo of my course, and this is a course of FCP10 tutorial for video editing. So this is for people who are interested in the topic of content creation, who want to create their own videos. Um, so people who are interested in filmmaking, who want to create their own YouTube videos or Instagram videos. So this course is for them. It's an offering from my side, and I'm sharing my knowledge, all I have gathered till now. I'm not saying I have everything, but I'm sharing whatever I could with you guys. So this is a good kickstart for your video editing journey. Yeah, and this is for everybody, anybody. So even from it's from kids to adults, uh, till the elders, from any part of the world. Yeah, you have to understand English, and yeah, this is and I'm using FCP 10.4.6. So if you don't have FCP 10.4.6, anything from future, yeah, this course still will be helpful because the interface is still the same, and you can apply the same knowledge in any other versions. Yeah, so let me quickly take you through the outline of this course. Yeah, so we are going through the FCP 10 user phase. Yeah, we are also spending much time knowing the user interface. So it's a bit of a long video, but you can just watch it while you're like uh, while you're eating something. So at least you'll hear it and watch it. Yeah. Then my next is I want you to get to know more terminologies for video editing, so you can do your own research. Next is keyboard shortcuts. Yeah, please Google all the essential keyboard shortcuts. Maybe at the beginning or at the end of the course, you can choose your own time. Then please go through this. This is the first video where you get to know how to create folders for your project, how to open the software, how to create new library, exploring project file. We are going to learn how to work with video files and data, how to navigate through timeline, um, understanding the magnetic timeline, which is something very unique about FCP10 is the magnetic timeline. So I want you to get friendly with this topic. So I'm spending some time here. Then exploring editing tools, which are very mandatory for any editor. Adjusting videos through cropping, scaling, flipping, distorting, and many other options. Manipulating speed of the video, yeah, that is something we use very often. X your attributes to different clips, adding markers to clips, stabilizing shots, changing duration of the clips, very important. Transitions, another very important topic. Audio editing, another very important topic. Sound design, titles and generators, captions, subtitles, which is very common these days, and also will be helpful for people who can't, uh, like, hear your videos. Yeah. So, color correction. Yeah. So, this is all I have to offer in my course, and definitely I'll be adding more things whenever something pops in my mind. I'll try to add something more around Instagram Reels. Uh, yeah. So right now this is very basic, but still a lot to grasp. Yeah. So please go through every chapter. Don't miss on any chapter. Yeah. Don't try to hurry up. Please take breaks if you're going to watch this little slowly and not speed up. Yeah, so please watch, practice, then come back, and you always have the access to the whole course. So please go slow. Editing is something you can't learn overnight. It takes time. Yeah, but once you get to know this, you'll understand much more about on this subject. Yeah. So that's all I have to share in my promo. Please um, give me a review after you're done with the course, and please ask me any questions if you have, and please start enrolling as soon as possible, uh, so you can start practicing faster. Okay, guys, so that's all from my side. Thank you so much.